Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new and haven't subscribed our channel, press the subscribe button. In this video, we are going to learn how to use rib features in Solidworks. Basically, ribs are used to make our material strong and add the material between two faces. So let's see how we can use rib feature in Solidworks. We are going to make the L bracket so that we can easily understand how we can use rib feature. So make the L bracket like this. Extrude it. So now we want to make 3 ribs in this L bracket to make it stronger. You can see that there is no support of this face to this face. So we are going to make, first of all, select this face and we will make the line. This line will show the dimension of our rib. Our rib will not be greater or lesser than this line. So the line has been created. Now we will go to the rib command. From here you can select the rib and you can see that our sketch line has been automatically selected. So these are the thicknesses you can set for the rib. This is first side. You can see that our rib has been created on the left side of this line, and this is yellow line. And if we will select this, both sides the rib has been equally divided. Now if we will select this line, the rib will be make on the other side. So this shows the extrusion direction to the sketch. If I will select this will be normal to the sketch, and if I will select this is parallel to the sketch. So we are going to make it parallel to the sketch, and this arrow shows that the material will be added in the downward direction. Select OK. So now you can see that our support or rib has been created. We are going to do this on the other face. For that we will again make this line, which will be our rib line. Now again we will select the rib command, and you can see that this arrow is pointing upward. So we will select flip material side. So now it is pointing onward, and from here we will select second side. Select OK, and now our second rib has been created. Now we are going to make the rib in the center. So for that we will make the plane for the line sketch. So we will make this rib greater than others. Go to rib command. The line has been automatically adjusted. From here you can increase the thickness of your rib, and if you want to add draft, you can add the draft from here. So we will make the 2 cm rib. Select OK. So our rib has been generated. So if you want to refine this rib, you will just go to fillet and you will fillet these edges like this. Select OK. So like this you can easily create your ribs, and you don't have to make rectangles and any other complex shape. So this was our tutorial on how to make ribs in the Solidworks. Keep supporting and keep sharing our videos.